to it?
Everything. I'll give you an example. I'll give you a small example. Like, I get, if suppose I get my salwar kameez stitched at a local tailor, why can't it becomes mandatory for the tailor to put a tag on that particular salwar kameez that this garment is recyclable, and what are these kind of clusters which are available where it can go. Or if a retailer is selling, that why can't each invoice have this kind of instruction which is compulsory, that where these kind of clothes are being recycled. So something like that which can be done not only by the government. I don't think government can do so much. We all need to work towards it. So it's not only NGOs but RWAs, local tailors. Like when I said convenience of sampling, convenience of collection mechanism. Let's say our local market, the local pansari that we have in every community or the household or the colony. Why can't he become the collection point, and all of us can give our clothes there and somebody from the cluster can come and collect. So some kind of mechanism which can be developed.
No, this is a question I would like to pose to Sashi Singh. Runa Banerjee, who is the founder of Seva in Lucknow, she was not there because she had actually organized those chikankari workers and made sure that they actually got not just wage labor, cut rate prices, but something much more than that. Now, as an entrepreneur yourself, she was talking about people moving out of there not being enough job orders for those berries. Now, why can't we create a business? I'm sure there's so much with this, so much of interest
just to point out one more thing, these people who are going out of the profession, they are going from such high level skill job to things like construction laborers. So because that is giving them more salary than this.
Because that's such a sad thing actually, because what is happening here is that the kind of wages they're getting is not at all proportionate to the effort that they put in or the skills that they have. So how can business help? You are an entrepreneur yourself. Can you tell us how businesses can help? And I think what is more important is organization, number one. Number two is marketing. And of course we need to be much more compassionate. I think corporate greed is just too much. The big brands want to keep everything to themselves and they want to pay a pittance to the artisans, and that is why we are seeing this kind of a dichotomy.
So, with all this 20 years experience in the field of craft, textiles, home furnishings, etc., and the export field as well, we've come to a kind of a module where you all know about intellectual property rights. You've heard about IPR. Now, we're taking this IPR tool to the grassroots women. How? How do we do that? You've heard about geographical indications, GIs. We are in India, we have registered almost 200 GIs in India. Not that we know of too many, because it's not.
When you talk about we, does it mean the government? Or?
The government knows because they have done, the state governments know that they have given a registration, but nothing beyond that. So now what we have done is, rightly said that we are now organizing these massive clusters, and especially women who are the producers. They are actually the authorized users. So they are the entrepreneurs who are producing these goods, but they do not have the rights. They do not know what the rights mean. So if the state government has a certificate which says GI supposing Pochampally sari is a GI. We know Darjeeling tea is a GI. We know Kolhapuri chappal is a GI. We know Bikaneri bhujia is a GI. These are all made in Maheshwari saris, Chanderi saris, Kota Doria, whatever. We've got 200 of these which are traditional crafts of India. Now, this is a genuine, authentic heritage of India, which we need to protect, promote, and even stop the China from duplicating whatever there is. We know Fulkari is a GI. Fulkari, machine-made Fulkari has come all over the country, 500 rupees, 200 rupees, and things like that. But genuine Fulkari is about 1,000 and above. And we know how much work there is to be put in. Same thing in the northeast, the weaves, etc. So now what happens is that there are two things.